Leave that poison out of your hand, or you'll drown on a dry land. Work for what you got. It might not be a lot. At least you won't go to jail and you won't get shot from the old school. You better ask somebody. I'm from the old school. I'm from the old school. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm nobody fool.